Hello everyone, and welcome to this little video on how to make these delicious rustic white chocolate and cranberry flapjacks. I'll pop the ingredient list on the screen for you now so that you can make a note of it. But in order to make these, the first thing you're going to want to do is get hold of a pan, and to this add your butter, your coconut oil, brown sugar, golden syrup, and the dried cranberries. Then place this onto a hob and allow the mixture to gently heat up until the butter and the oils have completely melted. As soon as the mixture starts to bubble a little bit, take it off the heat and then add your rolled oats. Stir these in thoroughly and make sure they are all completely coated on all sides, and also that the cranberries are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Then leave the mixture to one side for about 5 minutes. This is to allow the oats to absorb all of the liquids. Meanwhile, line a baking dish or tin with grease-proof paper. I'm using a 9x5 loaf tin, but any tin or small roasting tray will work just as well. Once lined, pour in the flapjack mixture and then use the back of a spoon to press the mixture down firmly and evenly, making sure to get into all of the corners and all the way around the edges. Then you can place your flapjack into a preheated oven at 180 degrees C or 350 F and leave it there for about 12 minutes. As soon as the top is starting to look golden around the edges, the flapjack is done. It is really easy to overcook flapjack, so as soon as it starts to look a little bit browner, take it out of the oven. Also, as soon as it's out, use the spoon to once again press the mixture down because it will have puffed up a bit while it was in the oven. This will prevent it from being too crumbly once it's been cooled. Leave the flapjack in the tray to cool completely, and once it has, break the white chocolate into a bowl and then place this into an inch or two of water in a pan on the hob, creating a bain-marie. Turn on the heat and allow the chocolate to completely melt. While it's melting, you can cut the flapjack into slabs or bars, depending on how generous you want to be with your portions. And then simply spoon over the melted white chocolate onto each bar. You could of course use a drizzle for a fancier effect, but as this can waste some white chocolate, I prefer to use a spoon. Allow to completely cool, and then your flapjacks are ready to eat. They are perfect with a nice cup of coffee in the afternoon. Anywho, I hope you've enjoyed this little recipe. Happy baking everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!